Good morning. Welcome to CBSBaltimore.com and First Morning Weather. Let me just step out of this shot so you can really get a good look at what appears to be a summer-like start to the first Monday of fall. Wow. Take a look at the sun glinting off the water. It's going to be a fine day today. High pressure totally runs our weather. If you enjoyed yesterday, you'll like today. Just cut and paste. Yesterday, sunny and 90. This day, we're calling for a high of 88 with sunshine. Oh, by the way, and humid. But I think a lot of car thermometers are going to hit 90 degrees. Now, that high is going to keep Hurricane Maria at bay, and we'll talk about this in just a second. That high, though, is the big player in our weather as we move through much of the week. There's a frontal boundary out to the west that it is stalling. It can't bust through the dominant influence, that area of high pressure. That high big enough to actually influence the movement of a hurricane. Cooler air will sift down into the region, and you'll see that noted on the 5-day forecast, but it's going to take a while for that to happen. Again, we'll discuss Maria in just a second. Today, we're going for a high of 88 again. A few car thermometers going to hit 90 degrees and humid. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy, remains muggy. 70 is going to be your low. Let's roll out that 5-day forecast. We'll call it 82, 85, 82. Then 75 and 72 by Friday and Saturday. We're starting to talk about more normal numbers. I want you to look. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, the overnight lows drop to, again, more normal numbers in the low to maybe mid-50s. These numbers will get adjusted. Now, let's go ahead and talk Hurricane Maria. Still a force to be reckoned with, a Category 1 storm. And just paint this picture in your mind, essentially following the same path now as Jose. Having said that, some of the far western rain bands may affect the Carolina Capes, and there's some advisories already out. But for us, and I want to show you this graphic, for us, we're not really going to have an issue. Much wider than I'd normally be. A lot of times, see, I can adjust the view on this. I kind of like to show this to you, but I think it's important now just to be able to see the bigger picture and how this storm by Friday is going to head out to sea because of the influence of that big dome of high pressure. And again, the Carolina Capes are probably going to see some outer bands of rain. Spaghetti modeling does agree with that solution, that the storm itself will head on out to sea. Now let me show you first warning Doppler weather radar. And what you will see right now is tropical storm warning or a watch in effect for the Carolina Capes, and that will remain steady, I think, for the next couple of days. Not impossible we get some rough surf advisories for Ocean City before it's over, said, and done with. But if this is the biggest effect we're going to have from that storm, we're having a darn good day. Thank you so much for stopping by. CBSBaltimore.com and First Warning Weather.